In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT when it won't load or isn't working properly. If ChatGPT is stuck, showing an error, or refusing to open, don't worry. In most cases, the problem is caused by your browser, your network connection, or a temporary service issue. The good news is that there are a few simple things you can try, and I'll walk you through them in a clear order so it's easy to follow. First, refresh the ChatGPT page. Sometimes the site fails to load correctly on the first attempt, and a quick refresh is all it takes to reconnect and load the page properly. If you're on a computer, use your browser's refresh button or reload the tab. If you're on mobile, you can usually pull down to refresh or reopen the page. This is the fastest fix, so it's always a good place to start. If that doesn't solve it, turn off any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker you may be using. These tools can sometimes interfere with how ChatGPT connects, especially if traffic is being routed through another location or if important page elements are being blocked. Disable them temporarily, then reload the page and check whether ChatGPT starts working again. Next, check whether your browser is blocking Cloudflare scripts. ChatGPT may rely on Cloudflare security and loading features, and if those scripts are blocked, the page may not open correctly. This can happen because of strict privacy settings, browser extensions, or built-in protections. If needed, allow the required scripts and then try loading the page again. Another helpful step is to open ChatGPT in a different browser. If the problem only happens in one browser, that usually points to a browser-specific issue rather than a problem with ChatGPT itself. Testing another browser can quickly help you confirm that. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted site data can sometimes prevent pages from loading properly or cause login and session issues. After clearing them, reopen the browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. Just keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be prepared to log back in. If the issue continues, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or try another network. Sometimes the problem comes from your internet provider, local network restrictions, or unstable Wi-Fi. Changing networks helps you test whether your connection is the real cause. Finally, if none of these steps work, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the issue is simply due to a temporary outage or short-term server problem, and the best fix is giving it a little time before reconnecting. That's it for this guide, and hopefully one of these steps gets ChatGPT working again for you.